Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the WUUK 2K Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor System, a powerhouse for home security with its 2Cams kit and home-based support for up to 8 cameras. With a robust 9600 mAh battery, this system offers an astounding 240 days of operation on a single charge, and when paired with WUUK solar panels, you can forget about frequent recharges. Enjoy peace of mind with no monthly fees, as the base station provides 32 GB of local storage for up to 365 days of encrypted video recording, ensuring your data remains secure and private. Experience crystal clear 2K video quality, a 135-degree wide viewing angle, and 10x digital zoom, enhanced by integrated spotlight and color night vision for superior nighttime clarity. Seamlessly integrate this system with your smart home, as it is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and IFTTT, allowing for easy voice control and monitoring. The WUUK system connects to your home Wi-Fi router via Ethernet, supporting both 2.4 and 5 GHz, and can pair with up to 8 wireless cameras, making it a versatile and expandable solution for any home. For any questions or support, WUUK offers excellent customer service, ensuring you have the assistance you need whenever you need it.